What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch weapons in Where Winds Meet. So first of all, if you're playing on PC, then we just have to use our mouse scroll wheel in order to switch our weapons. So let's say I wanna switch to my bow, then I need to scroll up on my mouse and then he will bring his bow here. In case you wanna switch back to your sword, then again scroll down on your mouse and then he will switch to the sword. If you have more than 2 weapons, then scroll down on your mouse and then he will switch to the secondary weapon if you have any. Currently I don't have more than 2 weapons, that's why I can't switch to secondary weapon. So this was the method for PC players, but if you are using controller, then press LT and RT together like so, and then he will bring his bow here and you can use the bow. If you are playing on PlayStation, then press L2 and R2 together like so, and then he will bring the bow and you can aim down here and fire the arrow like you want. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.